Hey, welcome back to my channel. Norcold 621269001 2-way RV refrigerator power board. Norcold 2-way RV refrigerator power board. The Norcold 621269001 fridge power supply circuit board fits older style boards before 2006 with the 16-pin connector. This will fit all models with a serial number below 9044285. Refer to manufacturer recommendations to ensure proper fit and usage. Fuel type, gas, is reusable, yes, quick and easy installation. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.